Okay, so cadets, I'll call you cadets. Well, cadets, this is a command task which is a very interesting command task. If you look at it here, there is a bomb in the center, and you need to go inside and take the bomb within next 15 minutes time. There are, so there are many approaches to this. This is one approach, there is another approach, this is another approach. So 15 minutes ke andar you have to take this bomb outside. Any doubts so far? No, sir. So the commander will come inside with two subordinates will follow. You will first brief the subordinates, and now you will have to take the bomb outside. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you see this bench. This is called zebra bench. Why it's called zebra bench? Zebra bench. Now let's say we start from here only. Now you see this bench now. There are many ideas from this bench. Many ideas. What is the most prominent idea coming out? Do you see this? Now this becomes the support. Yes, sir. And this becomes stopper or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now we have two white patches which can work as support. Right? Now how do we do that? Now what is the feasibility of doing it? What we have here, since there is a blue patch here, you'll have to cover it up or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you have two ropes, you can keep one rope here and one rope behind. Yes. Or you have one rope only, bring the rope. So what you could do, you can use the same rope, even you can keep the bully also, but bully will slip. Yes. So what you could do, you can keep this rope here first, have a knot so that it doesn't move out. Put it like this here. Tight karo chahiye to. Keep the plank. Come on, keep the plank now. Now what you do, you take this rope from here and one line of rope इधर डालो. क्यों डालना? ताकि this blue also can be saved. अब रखो blank. You see this? Now you tie this पीछे portion. Now you have made the two-third outside the structure. Have you noticed this is very simple?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Now suppose, remove it. Remove it. Now suppose, all of it. If this top portion is blue color, what we do now? Anybody? Yes, come. Minefield. Yeah. What is the idea here?
We could use this as the support, and then when we put the plank here, and then we could use a small bully to.
Wonderful idea. We can put this plank like this. And where is the small bully? Well done, good idea. You can keep this here so that you don't have to even use the rope. See this? Now this becomes the stopper. So weight आएगा, ये अपना रुक जाएगा. Is it clear to you? Yes, sir. Okay, I'll show you one more idea here. Suppose if we say that also has gone blue. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Now you see here. This width is less. Yes, sir. Now, if you have this width, then it makes a right kind of cantilever.
Yes, sir.
So, how do you make this width? Yes. What is this called in? Chord. So, we will make a chord here. While we make the chord, what have we done? We have distance. आपने सही कर दी, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
आप plank लगेंगे. We will make a clear? Yes, sir. So these are the ideas coming out here. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what's the idea from there?
So we can put the plank between them.
All of you are with me?
Yes, sir.
You see again. So the simplest idea we should come in your mind is this is a support. Where is the stopper?
Behind.
So if that is so, can the plank go through here? No. So what will go here? Mod balli or lamba balli? So how do you keep the balli here? कैसे रखेंगे इसको? Yes, you will tie a rope here so that the balli will go inside. Where is the rope? Bring it. So rope बनाने की तरीका देखो. We put a hangman nose. Then just tie it. Put the belly. Now we already made how the belly can stand there. Put it. And where is the stopper now? Yes. So now this has come here. So there are two things. If you have to walk over this, somebody has to, subordinate has to keep the hand. Then you can come here from your gun. Suppose if there is nothing here, then we will have double.